Mother Nature. And I am here. Oh, I see.
I see your regards for me are still lingering.
Mm-hmm.
So how have you been?
Don't speak.
No, how you feeling about air pollution?
Oh, please. Let's start about Father Time. You guys poison the inspiration by making it go back in time a million times.
Yeah, but unless we can save things and have second chances.
We do have second chances. With me, we do.
Yeah.
Don't speak.
Go make your pretty little flowers.
No.
Just
So you can. Oh, I saw your Father Day changes. Like I said, the time. When everything caused it all away and I was nothing. You tried to lead me out of time. You tried to destroy me.
it wasn't my fault. You were trying to keep me here with your stupid lines.
They were butterflies. Excuse me, I talked to Santa about this and he ain't very happy about it.
I talked to Jack about it and he said you enjoy beating your clients over the playground.
You know what he said? I don't like the Jack Frost. He caused a lot of trouble. What did he do to the South Pole? He caused a lot of things in that place up there. Goodbye.